Good morning, students. I hope that all of you are keeping well. I am Yogesh Ingle. See, I am going to start the chapter linear equation. In class 9, you have already studied the equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 8. This is the linear equation in one variable. If suppose if you have to find the solution of x, so 3x is equal to 8 minus 4. So 3x is equal to 8 minus 4 means 4. So x is equal to 4 upon 3. This is the value of x. Now question is this, that how to construct the linear equation. Suppose the value of x is equal to 4 upon 3. This is the equation in one variable. This is called linear equation. Now the question is this, how to construct the linear equation in two variables. Suppose I am just taking the example of, you are taking 2 samosa. This is 2 samosa. And you are taking 1 kachori. And the cost of samosa is rupees 10. Then the cost of 2 samosa will be 2 into 10. Okay. Now suppose the cost of the kachori is rupees 5. So it will be 1 into 5. Then the total amount will be 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. How much you are going to pay? Rupees 25. Because the cost of the samosa is rupees 10 and the cost of the kachori is rupees 5. Therefore, cost of 2 samosa will be 2 into 10 means 20 plus 5 into 1 means 5. So it becomes 25. Now suppose if you are taking the cost of the samosa is rupees x and the cost of the kachori is rupees y. Cost of the samosa is rupees x and the cost of the kachori is rupees y. And now suppose if you are taking the 2 samosa, the cost of the 2 samosa will be 2 into x. Then cost of 1 kachori will be y into 1. It means totally how much you paid? 25. So what you can write here? 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 25. And this is means how to construct the linear equation. Because cost of the samosa is x and the quantity is 2. So 2 into 10 is 20. And quantity of kachori is 1 and the cost is y. It means 5. That is cost of the kachori is rupees 5. So 5 into 1 means 5. So 20 plus 5 becomes 25. This is the concept of linear equation, that how to construct the linear equation. Now the question is how to solve the linear equations. How to solve the linear equation. Suppose if I am writing here plus 4. And if I am just giving you the basic concept that how to solve the linear equation in two variable, pair of linear equation. First suppose just I am writing here 4 plus 4. If I am writing here on adding, so plus 4 and plus 4 becomes plus 8. Similarly, if I am getting here 5 and this is 5, so 5 plus 5 becomes 10. If I am writing here 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. And what I am writing here? On adding. Now suppose if I am getting here plus 4 and here I am getting minus 4. And if I am writing here on adding, so plus 4 and minus 4 becomes 0. It means plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. Suppose I am getting here plus 5 and minus 5. And if I am writing here on adding, so plus 5 and minus 5 becomes 0. If I am writing plus 6 and minus 6. And if I am writing here on adding, so plus 6 and minus 6 becomes 0. Now the question is this, when you are getting two positive sign here, plus 4 and plus 4 on adding, it becomes 8. Plus 5 and plus 5 on adding, it becomes 10. Plus 6 and plus 6 on adding, it becomes 12 plus 4 and minus 4. On adding, it becomes 0. Similarly, if you are getting minus 5 plus 5, and if you are writing here on adding, so on adding, so it becomes 0. It means plus and minus become 0. Then what you have to write here? On adding. Now, next concept is, suppose if I am writing here plus 7 and plus 7, and if I am writing here on adding, then it becomes plus 14. But if I am writing here plus 7 and plus 7, and now suppose I am going to cancel it, plus 7 plus 7, and if I want to cancel it, so what I will write here? On subtracting. On subtracting. Because plus 7 and plus 7 on adding, if you are writing, it becomes 14. But when I have to cancel it, plus 7 and plus 7, put a minus sign here, then it becomes 0. Similarly, plus 4 and plus 4. If we are writing on adding, it becomes 48. But if I want to cancel it, therefore I have to write here on subtracting. This sign becomes minus sign, and these two can cancel, and you can get 0. Now again, suppose if you are getting here minus 4 and minus 4, and if you are writing here on adding minus 4 and minus 4, if you are getting on adding, so minus 4 and minus 4 becomes minus 8. But if I want to cancel it, minus 4 and minus 4, and now I want to cancel it, so what you will do? Just you will write here on subtracting, and minus becomes plus. Then plus 4 and minus 4 becomes 0. Similarly, minus 5 and this is minus 5. Minus minus, if you are going to write here on adding, then it becomes minus 10. But if you want to cancel it, then what you will write here? On subtracting. So it becomes minus, get opposite sign, this become plus. Plus 5 and minus 5 becomes 0. Now I am just telling you how to solve the linear equation. Let us see. How to solve the linear equation. Suppose x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. These are two equations in two variable pair of equation. One equation is x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. So what is the possibility of getting cancelled? You can, this is plus y and this is you are getting minus y. Of course, if you are going to write here on adding, so plus y and minus y becomes cancelled. So what you will write here first? On adding. On adding. So on adding, plus y and minus y cancel. So plus x, 2x is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 2. The answer is x is equal to 5. Now suppose if you have to find the value of y. So in any equation you can put here x plus y is equal to 6. In place of x you can put here 5 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 5. Y is equal to 6 minus 5 means 1. Again I would like to explain you. Equation is x plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. Now what you will write here? On adding. Because plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. X plus x, 2x. 2x is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 means 5. So answer is x is equal to 5. Now x plus y is equal to 6. In place of x, jahan jahan x, tahan tahan 5. It means in place of x you can put here 5. So 5 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 5. Y is equal to 1. The solution is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Now the question is this, somebody can ask me, sir, can you cancel the value of x also? Yes, that also I am going to tell you right now. But just within 2 minutes, just you note down this. Now, suppose x plus y is equal to 6, same equation, and x minus y is equal to 4. And now somebody wants to cancel the value of x. But here the coefficient of x is plus 1, coefficient of x is plus 1. And if you are going to add, on adding, plus y minus y will get cancelled. But somebody is asking me, sir, can you cancel x? Yes, we can cancel the x also. See how. What you will write here, but on subtracting. On subtracting, then you have to change all the sign. This plus x becomes minus x, the minus y becomes plus, and plus 4 becomes minus. Now, what is the sign of this x? Positive. This sign x is negative. Now, on subtracting, this x and this x can cancel. Now, this is plus y and this is plus y. So, it becomes 2y. 2y is equal to 6 minus 4 means 2. So, y is equal to 2 upon 2. The solution is y is equal to 1. The value of y is equal to 1. Now, the first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. In place of y, you can put here 1. In place of y, you can put 1. So, x plus 1 is equal to 6. So, x is equal to 6 minus 1. X is equal to 6 minus 1 means 5. The same solution you are getting. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. I hope this is clear now. Now, the question is this. You can find the value of x first and then y, or first you can find the value of y, then you can find the value of x. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I am taking one more question. See, suppose if I am getting the equation 4x plus y is equal to 8 and minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. These are the two equations. Now, what is the possibility to get cancel? You can cancel y also, you can cancel x also. But it is easy to cancel 4x because here you are getting plus 4x, here you are getting minus 4x. It means what you will write here? You can write here on adding. On adding. So plus 4x minus 4x, they can cancel. So 3y plus y means 4y is equal to 8 plus 4 means 12. So y is equal to 12 upon 4. Y is equal to 3. The solution is y is equal to 3. Now you can find the value of x. See how? 4x plus y is equal to 8. In place of y, you can put here 3. So 4x plus 3 is equal to 8. So 4x is equal to 8 minus 3 plus 3 transfer on that side, it becomes minus. So 4x is equal to 8 minus 3. So 4x is equal to 5. The solution is x is equal to 5 upon 4. The answer is, again now I am going to explain. 4x plus y is equal to 8. Minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. The possibility of getting cancelled is 4x and minus 4x. On adding, 4x and minus 4x is cancelled. So plus y and 3y becomes 4y. 4y equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 upon 4. Y is equal to 3. In place of y is equal to 3, then in equation 1, you can put in equation 2 also, no problem. So 4x plus y is equal to 8. In place of y, you can put 3. So 4x plus 3 is equal to 8. So 4x is equal to 8 minus 3. 4x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 upon 4. The solution is x is equal to 5 upon 4. So tomorrow now I will tell you, if the coefficients are not same, then how to solve the equation. I hope this is clear to everyone. All the best. If any doubt is there, I will get it clear tomorrow. Okay, thank you.